5 things we've found out about the iPhone 13. It's been a bustling week for the iPhone 13 talk plant. As reported by TechRadar, since the iPhone X has Apple truly stirred up the plan of its iPhones, and keeping in mind that we're large aficionados of the iPhone 12 family, we're eager to learn of some possibly market-driving extravagant accessories on its impending scope of cell phones. 1 terabyte of capacity. A new report guaranteed that Apple might be anticipating delivering an iPhone 13 model with up to 1 terabyte of capacity, conceivably denoting the first run through the Cupertino organization has offered such room in its iPhones. 1 terabyte adaptations of the iPad Pro have existed since 2018. 2. An in-screen unique mark scanner. Since the home catch-less approach of the iPhone X in 2017, Apple's iPhones have settled on Face ID innovation over the unique mark scanners of old. Apple leaker Mark Gurman has proposed the iPhone 13 could accompany an in-screen finger impression scanner, aligning the gadget with pretty much every leader Android telephone available at this moment. 3. Improved LiDAR sensors. Among iPhone 12 models, just the iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max variations accompanied LiDAR sensors. The scanners on the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro are planned more for room-scale applications like games or moving around our furniture in IKEA's Place application, yet they don't as of now let you 3D sweep objects with more noteworthy precision than different methods like photogrammetry, which rather consolidates high-angle RGB photographs taken from various vantage focuses. 4. Improved 5G paces. After reports arose that the iPhone 13 arrangement is required to utilize Qualcomm's Snapdragon X60 modem, we're eager to see whether the forthcoming gadgets will accompany enhancements to 5G. A 5nm put-together modem with respect to the iPhone 13, as reports propose, would take into consideration the 2 sorts of recurrence simultaneously, which means quicker 5G paces across the world. As of now, mmWave uphold is restricted to iPhone 12 models in the US. 5. No ports. Despite the fact that gossipy tidbits about a portless iPhone 13 have been twirling for some time, late data acquired by Appleosophy has revealed new insight into how precisely Apple intends to execute an iPhone without a Lightning association. Presently, you need an actual association with a PC or Mac while re-establishing an iPhone through any methods other than by means of iOS settings. However, the iPhone 13 probably won't need a similar physical tying. Please share and like our video. For more videos related to technology trend, please subscribe to Mies and Computer.